Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Fashion Society of Shillong, kala Pynlong ya ka Miss Shillong, but ka Miss Supermom arajar arpulai, mentakas ngi ka khatsao trik risau, ho sosotham auditorium hall, ha ka ba palat khat lai ngut, ki barawan banya shimbenta ha ka Miss Shillong, but shiponggut ha ka Miss Supermom arajar arpulai. Hagani ka sngi lawan banedon langdo ba penyait sings aim Chief Executive Member ke Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council ubaralong kumukongsan bala penshingan yagani ka program daga jingwan senran lang ki bahayeng hasem jong ki nong ye shimbenta lembat ki pat ba kekong Genevieve pala kalayo ora ya ka pansngiat Miss Supermom arajar arpulai but minta dang up se ka result jong ka Miss Shillong ha ka baga jingya ko kadang yai.
Optimistic girl who believes that everything happens for a reason and that everybody lives for a purpose.
Dedicated to providing them the unwavering love and support. My mission is to guide and lead them in the right directions, offering encouragement to work diligently towards achieving their dreams and aspirations. Above all, I strive to instill in them the values that makes for a good human beings. I stand here tonight as a proud mother, as a woman of dignity, not only to compete in this pageant tonight, but also to win hearts and to inspire and empower the young women to embrace the complications, to see flaws as beauty and strength. I sincerely thank Fashion Society Shillong for giving us this golden opportunity.
Trust yourself with the possible and trust God with the impossible. A very good evening to you, ladies and gentlemen. I, Mary Celine Nongbah, hailing from the mesmerizing city also known as the Scotland of the East, Shillong. proud to be a 38 years old, working professionally in the government sector. More importantly, I am proud to be a mother of 3 beautiful angels who filled my life with joy and purpose. Today, I stand here before you as the living testament to the power of resilience and determination. Although life has thrown its fair share of challenges my way, but I never allowed them to define me. As a single mother, I have to shoulder all the responsibility to cater the needs of my family day-to-day life. Yet, I am a definition of strength, positivity, and the courage to overcome all the obstacles of my life roller coaster ride. And sports. My most cherished roles are as a single mother to my 2 sons who lost their father at a very young age. Despite challenges, I have found strength in determination, resilience, self-belief, and most importantly, the faith that I have in God make me stronger and more courageous to overcome these challenges. As I grow older, I realize that I have 2 hands. One hand to care myself and my family, and the other to reach out and assist others. Pursuing my career as a resource person for children with special needs.
A 19-year-old girl with passion and ambition. Currently, I'm pursuing my bachelor's degree in English with aspirations of becoming a teacher one day. As I journey through life, I've discovered my passion for modeling, which I'm now wholeheartedly pursuing. I firmly believe that unless you spread your wings and take chances, a dream I diligently pursue. My life goal, both ambitious and meaningful, to become a successful individual, not only for personal fulfillment, but with a noble purpose of providing my family every need. In conclusion, I would like to leave you with a concise yet powerful message. In the journey of life, it's crucial to follow our passion with joy and happiness, regardless of the outcome.
The winner is
The winner of Miss Supermom 2023 is
contestant number 6, Genevieve. Ladies and gentlemen, that is your Miss Supermom 2023, Genevieve.